We begin tonight with an update on a series of fires that sparked in the Santa Cruz Mountains. The first is the Rincon fire. CAL FIRE says they have stopped forward progress on this. This fire sparking last night around 9:30 near Paradise Park, north of Santa Cruz. That was between Highway 9 and the San Lorenzo River. The slow-moving fire causing such a scare initially, it prompted evacuation advisories for the north end of Paradise Park. Meanwhile, this morning, a second fire started in Scotts Valley. The Lockhart fire sparked off Lockhart Gulch Road. This was about 5 miles from the Rincon fire. Crews were able to stop forward progress at 6 acres on this fire. There were 3 to 4 other spot fires contained to just under an acre, and fire crews believe they all started as a result of the Rincon fire, which was the largest and most dangerous of the fires. Tonight, containment is at 30% and the acreage is down to 17 acres. CAL FIRE says the drop is due to more accurate mapping. One firefighter has been injured. CAL FIRE says the conditions in the area were ripe for a fire.
The amount of fuel and the weather that we've been experiencing, we've been under a red flag warning most of the weekend. It is in very steep country. It is in an area of timber with a lot of dead and down material. This area is still suffering the effects of the 5 to 6 year drought that California's been under.
Now crews expect to be on scene for 4 to 5 more days. A portion of Highway 9 remains closed and there's no word yet on when that's going to reopen. No structures have burned and none were threatened. Investigators are looking into a cause, although at this time they do see it as suspicious as the fire started in an area with no power lines and no cars. CAL FIRE says smoke and ash will continue in the Santa Cruz area as the fire burns itself out. You can see it in that picture there. Meteorologist Gina DeVecchio is here now, and that's going to be definitely the biggest concern is air quality, right?
It sure is, yeah. Mainly around the Santa Cruz area. You know, that's where I live. Right. So this morning I stepped outside, smelt that smoke, and saw it as well. And we've been talking about red flag warnings throughout this weekend, so knowing that it was a big concern that any fire could spread rapidly. Now, the good news is winds died down just a bit today compared to days past. It's still dry. And the thing is, we have this north wind, so it's blowing the wind from the Santa Cruz Mountains in to the Santa Cruz County coastal areas, and that's going to continue the next few days. Here you can see as we go through time, we are going to see those winds shifting a little bit, variable winds, which aren't good for containing fires, but at least they're not very strong winds. We're talking about 5, 10 miles per hour, maybe 15, but not super gusty. However, tomorrow you're going to see that picking up just a little bit, but that's where I anticipate smoke to develop once again around Santa Cruz earlier in the day, and then you're seeing a little bit of an offshore breeze temporarily switching to onshore, and these variable winds are going to bring that smoke into different areas. So pay attention over the next few days if you do see that smoke, and if you do live around Paradise Park, obviously you will be paying attention in great detail to that forecast. But the good news is relative humidity, look at that, 40% to maybe 35, and winds on the relatively light side. So that's the best case scenario for firefighters fighting this fire, Chris.